your final answer is writing the whole equation. First, we're going to remember the rules of differentiation, which are: number one, if f of x equals to c, then f prime of x is equals to 0. The c in this case is represents a number. Number two is if f of x, if y equals k times f of x, then y prime equals k times f prime of x. In this case, the k is equal to a number. The third rule says if p of x equals f of x, adding or subtracting to g of x, then p prime of x equals f prime of x, adding or subtracting to g prime of x. And last but not least, the power rule. That says that if y equals xn, then y prime equals nx n minus 1.
The first step is to multiply 3 times the exponent of x, and you have the exponent of 1. So it's 3, and here you subtract a 1 to the exponent, like in here would be 2 minus 1. So you take down the x, and it's 0, because 1 minus 1 is 0. So you subtract the same thing here, you multiply 2 times 5, which is 10, and you subtract 2 minus 1, which is 1, so it's x. And if you have like x to the exponent of 0, it's 1, so we multiply 3 times 1,